Hi everyone, it's me. I am now on my way to Monroe to get an oil change on the. Probably should clean it out a little bit. And yesterday afternoon, I went to Speed Queen's website and registered the new Speed Queen washer, which came with a 5-year warranty. But Speed Queen guarantees their washers to last more than 5 years. They guarantee them to last like 25 years, so. And we're happy with it. It does a great job. And I noticed, even though it's their high efficiency model, is the one that we bought, it's faster at washing clothes than the GE was. The GE worked great up until that issue when that shaft on the motor rusted out and just would no longer work. So but I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.